Okay, hello beauties, your girl Euniycemari here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I promise it won't hurt. And thumbs up this video.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Today's video, I'm going to be trying this beauty hack for you guys. Now, let's talk about the inspiration really quickly because you're probably wondering the backstory. And I always like to share the backstory with you guys. No shame here. So I was on Facebook and I came across the Cosmopolitan video where the girls were on there and they were trying this beauty hack. And I was like, does that really work? It can, to me, it seemed like it wasn't the quickest way to apply eyeliner, but then it seemed like for beginners, it can probably be something that could work. It seemed like it could be a 2-in-1 as far as like curling your lashes and applying your liquid liner or your eyeliner. So let's get into what this hack is. So pretty much how this beauty hack works is that you take a regular old eyelash curler, you apply your liquid liner to the inner brim of the eyelash curler. You apply it like you're about to curl your lashes, and it kind of like stamps the liner on there for you, okay? I am going to do it that way, plus I'm going to kind of play around with some other methods of doing it. So I'm not only going to use liquid liner, but I'm also going to use cream liner as well, because I have a feeling that cream liner may give you more pigmentation and it won't dry as fast from like applying it to putting it on the lid, but we'll see. As well as I'm going to play around with the technique, probably just doing it where you just take it and you stamp it. So we're going to play around with all that, and then in the end I'm going to give you guys my full opinion on this beauty hack. So let's get started. All right, am I close enough for you guys? Am I close enough for you guys? Okay, so let's start off with this eye. This eye I'm going to do liquid, and this eye I'm going to do cream. So we're going to take our lovely lash curler. I got this one from Ulta. I will leave all products I use in this video down below. This is an Ulta eyelash curler, and then I'm going to be used for liquid liner. I'm going to be using the NYX matte liquid liner stiletto. Where did I get the stiletto from? The NYX liquid liner in matte. It's going to be the color black. So let's go ahead and let's give this a try. So you're supposed to open up your lovely eyelash curler, and you're supposed to take your liquid liner. I think you should try this type of liquid liner. Don't try like the pen. And then you're supposed to just take it. Let me do this here first. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll show you guys in a minute. But you're supposed to like line like the inner brim. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Okay, so you see me lining the inner brim of the, just like right, I'll zoom in for you guys. But you're supposed to like, now I have a couple of questions about this technique. Ooh, yeah, ooh, girl, we gonna have to start over again with that line, because do y'all see that line on the inside? Yeah, talking about having crazy ass liner. No, we're gonna start over again. I thought this was gonna be an easy thing to do, and obviously I'm playing myself. All right, let's go again. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your eyelash curler, and along this inner brim here, you're going to go ahead and you're going to line it with the liquid liner. I say use a liquid liner like this, like an applicator liner. Don't use a pen, because I feel like that's going to dry out faster, but something more liquid than pen. And then, oh, this is hard to do. I'm trying to show you guys how I do it. But I'm just gonna take it, I'm just gonna line the inside of it. I'll show you guys in a minute. Oh, this is kind of messy. Okay. All right, so it's gonna go something like that. That may not really work, but you're just gonna line like that inner part between the lash and the clampy thing. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and let's do this. I'm actually kind of scared. So I'm gonna do it the regular way I saw it. So you put it like this, hold on. And then you clamp. Okay. And then, oh, oh, can you guys see? All right. Let's give it one more try. One more try. Okay, so I'm going to line it again with the liquid liner. Hold on. Okay, and let's try it again. This is definitely something I'm not too sure about. Okay, let's try it again. I'm not gonna clamp it this time. I'm just gonna push it into the eye and rock it back and forth, and then I'm going to remove it. Okay, yeah, no, that's a fail for me. So this is the liquid liner on this side. As you can see, it got down here as well. Don't know how that happened. Oh, this is messy. Okay. Over the lid and just kind of push it into the lid a little bit and rock it back and forth. Will that work? All right. Okay, that is a fail for me. That didn't work. Okay, so we're gonna move on. All right, we're gonna do cream liner, and I know I look like a crazy lady. Don't mind me. I look like a crazy lady. So we're just gonna leave that for reference. Okay, this is what this eye turned out looking like. Okay, yeah, all right. So now we're gonna do cream on this eye. So I'm going to use a Q-tip along with my cream liner. This is the NYX cream liner as well. Q-tip, and I'm gonna apply the cream liner onto a Q-tip. And from the Q-tip, I'm going to apply it to that inner brim of the eyelash curler. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. I'm hoping that cream liner works a little bit better than the liquid liner, but we'll see. And then I'm like, how far over am I supposed to like apply it? Like not too far on the ends, obviously, because the other one, that was bad. Okay, so I got it on there. So we're going to do the clamping technique. So let's see. I'm gonna put it on the lid. I'm going to clamp it like usual. And then, nothing. You guys see, there's nothing on my freaking lid. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, maybe cream liner is not the best for this. Yo, this hack is something else. You gotta have a lot of patience for this hack. Okay, this is really not working. Okay, so then let's see. I'm gonna just stamp it. I'm not even gonna clamp it. Ooh, I just rhymed. Okay, so I'm just gonna just take this and I'm just gonna stamp it on the lid. Hold on. I can't even see. Okay, am I doing this right? Okay. I'm just gonna clamp it, stamp it. All right, no, and no. Okay, all right, so no, and no. So we're gonna talk about it. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and let's talk about my feelings on this beauty hack of using a eyelash curler to apply your liner. I am not a big fan of it. I feel like it is a lot of work. I feel like you have to move a little quickly, especially with the liquid liner, because it will dry on you. And you gotta be careful, like on this little brim here of the eyelash curler, like you can't go too far over, or else I feel like you get too much on the sides, and then when you stamp it, it kind of like trickles over onto the side of your eye, like mine. And I just feel like you gotta really like line it right. Like you gotta take and you gotta like line it right. Like it's a lot of work, I feel. I get the idea behind it. Like let's say you wanna just like, maybe you're a beginner and you want more guidance. I feel like this could probably be something that can give you guidance. Like if anything, you see this little brim right here? I would say use that to kind of trace around to make a liquid eyeliner. But as far as just using like a stenciling technique, I don't see it working. I see it being more stressful than helpful. So I'm gonna have to give this a thumbs down, especially with the cream liner. Like this, the cream liner was no better. The cream liner was a joke. I was thinking I was doing something with the cream liner. I was like, well, the cream liner should be way better. No, the cream liner was even worse than the liquid liner. So I'm gonna have to give this hack a thumbs down. I don't see myself doing this, and I don't even see myself really suggesting this to anybody, especially if you're a beginner. I feel like it's just gonna stress you out even more. Okay, so with that being said, if you guys have tried this hack before, let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.